The most powerful editor currently in the world, the easiest and most complete, photo editing training and making photos and logos in just 5 minutes.
Hi, my name is Annabelle, and welcome to my tea party. Spooky?
Hello flower friends, I'm Selena. I promise you that after watching this video until the end, you will edit and make your own photo. So right now I am asking all you geniuses to subscribe me and support me by doing this. We open the PicsArt program, touch the Create button, in the Artificial Intelligence Tool section. Select the option to convert text to image. Now you can create any photo, edit or logo you want by typing text. It should be noted that there are various options that you can use according to your taste, such as 3D photo, 8K quality, black and white photo, and others. If you encounter a problem or have a question, be sure to leave a comment for me and I will read and answer. Join me as I'm here to make the world of editing easy for you.
Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me?
You sure?
I am Belle. Can you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
I got a bottle of Patron and some lights off, 2 red devil looking eyeballs, and I finna turn up when the night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light, and I'ma take shots like a Tech 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack.
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, Leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.